Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti from My Fashion Lifestyle, and today's video is on how you can wear a sari in a lehenga style, or how to wear a lehenga style sari. So which means you'll be learning how you can wear your sari like a lehenga even if you don't have a lehenga. All you'll need is two type of saris. As you can see that I'm already dressed in a black and a red sari. So your saris should match for this look even if they are contrast, and all you have to get is a belt and some matching jewelry to complete the look. And all you need is a sari blouse or a choli, even if that works with you. You can wear it with a petticoat or even a leggings. And now without further ado, let's move on to the draping style. And yes, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more sari draping videos. And now let's move on to the video.
Alright, so to drape your first sari, all you have to do is take the inner edge of the sari like this, and I'm wearing pants and a matching blouse. So drape it in a normal navy tuck from the back to the front like this, and take one wrap around and stop on the right side. Now take two small pleats on the right side. I'm just folding the sari in because it's a bit longer for me. So I have two folds here like this, two pleats, and tuck it in neatly. Spread them a bit apart and tuck in. And flat it out with your hands like this. Now repeat the same process. Make two more pleats and spread them out evenly. Remember, you don't want to make very small pleats or very big pleats. Just make medium pleats and even this out. So I'm going to repeat the whole process all over the sari or all over around my waist like this. Now you can see that I've stopped on the right side again, and I'm just flatting out the pleats evenly like this. And now you can see I've got the palla part. So if you have a pallu which is in contrast like this, just fold it in like this and make smaller pleats here, and turn the fabric inside and then neatly tuck it inside like this on the side waist. You can take a safety pin to cover this whole red color or the contrast look, and that completes your lehenga. So you've draped the whole sari like a lehenga and it looks like a pleated lehenga. Now take the second sari, which is your contrast sari. I've pleated it on the pallu section as you can see, and keep the palla a bit longer. So I've pleated it and I've also pinned it at intervals to hold the pleats. I'm throwing it on my left shoulder like this, and you can see the palla is longer. Now all I'm going to do is pull out the inner border like this, and I'm going to leave out a little bit of fabric here and just tuck it in roughly on my right waist like this. So you want a cowl here. Now take the whole sari from the back and bring it to the left side like this. Now take the inner widthwise section and start making pleats on this section where your border is on top, and tuck it in your waistline in the center like this, and drape the border or the top edge like this over it till the back waist. Now you have a loop at the back, so take the whole loop and make pleats until you complete the whole loop. Now fold them around and tuck them in your center back waistline, and you can see you need to flat out the pleats in front. You have a cowl on the side like this, so just flat that out properly, and this is what it's going to look like on both sides. So this side you can see it looks like this, and the pleats are opening up on your right side. So now you can adjust your front drape again, pin it at the shoulder and spread out the pleats and your front chest side, and you can use a pin again to secure it. So what I'm going to do is even out the pleats and the cowl, and then I'm just going to use a pin to pin it in my waistline over here. You can also wear a belt if you like to cinch up the waistline and hold this in place. So this gives you an Indo-Western look. So this is what it's going to look like after the complete look of your saris into a lehenga choli drape. Or you can ditch the belt, and because you've already pinned the pleats in the waistline, so they're not going to move from your place, you can wear it just like this, and this is what it's going to look like. So you can see that the whole sari edge, which is the skirt, is also visible, and it looks like a ghagra or a lehenga and not like a sari. So you can see this is how the pleats are holding up together, and this is how your sari looks. Just remember, don't wear a very stiff sari for this look, because you'll need some flowy saris or a soft silk sari if you're wearing silk saris. And remember that they should match
So guys, that's all from me on how you can wear a lehenga style sarees with two sarees. You don't need a lehenga to have a lehenga style saree. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and also leave comments below for more recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos on saree draping. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.